Hello, students. Good evening. We'll discuss tree diagrams or labeling phrases. When do when we do IC analysis or immediate constituent analysis of sentence or phrases, then how it can be labeled. So we are going to discuss. This is the compound sentence. However, there's a picture. Here a sentence is there, right, which is divided into noun phrase and verb phrase. In noun phrase, determiner and noun and verb phrase, right? And this is a compound sentence. First simple sentence, right? Simple sentence. That's a first sentence one. Then which is joined by end. Here subject, right? Sorry, sentence. That is noun phrase, noun. Then in verb phrase, noun. And then again noun phrase. That's a determiner and then noun. So this is the just symbolic example they have given. Okay. Now this is determiner which is here. Okay. Now moving to next example with brackets. I told you earlier that IC analysis can be done through bracketing or through tree diagram, right? And other methods are also there, but yeah, these three two are very important, very common, right? And first is that's a how would you divide this sentence into phrases? Sentences: the children put the toys in the box. So this is sorry. This is the children put the toys in the box. So first of all, the children. This is the children, right? Put, from put to this means this to this. So this is from here, okay? So first segment is this one, second is this one. Now this is the children. So the is determiner and children is noun. Okay, this is analyzed. Now put, then remove the put. So what is, that's a verb phrase, right? Put and the toy, noun phrase. Noun phrase the determiner, toys, noun, right? So that's a first bracket, and then this is the second bracket, and this is the third, this way. So here you must have noticed that in this is subject, okay, noun phrase, but this is in verb phrase, this is also noun phrase and this is also noun phrase, right? But as a whole, this is verb phrase. Verb phrase is divided into noun phrase and verb, and this is prepositional phrase. So this is preposition and this is noun phrase, right? Okay. Now next is the main phrase structure rules. Okay, what is the rule? That's a subject sentence, sorry, is divided into noun phrase and verb phrase. The noun phrase, one word is, that's a head word, so that's a noun, right? Article, and then adjective phrase or preposition phrase, right? And then VP, auxiliary, then V, verb and noun phrase. Prepositional phrase, preposition and noun phrase. Same sentence they are explaining. Right? Here. Sentence, then noun phrase, then VP. Right? So sentence, then verb phrase and noun phrase. Then noun phrase is article, right? Then adjective phrase, then noun, right? Then prepositional phrase, auxiliary, helping verb and preposition. Okay, now next upside down trees, right? Actually, tree is just opposite. No? This is the tree. This is root, right? And this is tree, branches and all, right? But here, if you do this tree inverse, so that will look like this. So that's a sentence. So sentence is root, we can say, right? Then phrases, then phrases syntactic means sentence structure, we can say. Leave, that is verb. So that's the auxiliary and this is a verb phrase. This is simple. When you write, you'll be able to understand. Maria never ate a brownie, right? First, look at this sentence. Maria never ate. So never is auxiliary. Sorry, never is adverb, right? Because never is used for ate. So that's a adverb phrase, right? A brownie. So this way, this is a verb phrase. Never ate, right? So never ate. Why? Because this is a adverb, no? So that's a this verb is qualified by this one. So that's a adverb and that's a verb. That's a noun phrase is a brownie. Simple sentences, I think. Very simple. Now sentences that shelf will fall. That shelf, that's article, will fall. Very simple. Auxiliary will and fall verb. Okay. Now the glass broke. The glass broke. Okay. I am not explaining. I think you must have got. The student lost the debate. Simple sentence, right? In this sentence, the student one noun phrase and this is another noun phrase and this is a verb, right? So this is a sentence. Okay. Then next is sub sentence. The manager may offer a raise, right? Simple sentences. Now this is homework they have given. Repair the telephone. So that's the success of the program. The fat ladies man, this is compound word, actually compound noun. So that's a repair means that's a verb phrase, right? You can do this way. That's a verb phrase. Okay, drop the verb, repair. Okay, then noun phrase. I'm making it again. That's a verb phrase. First one, verb phrase. Repair, verb is repair, right? Then noun phrase. That's an article or determiner the. Then telephone, noun, telephone. This is done. Then the success of the program is already done. A fat ladies man. A fat ladies man. That's a different kind of compound word. You will repair the telephone. I have already done. The success of the program. So the success noun phrase, right? So that's a noun phrase. The and success. Then prepositional phrase and there's a simple, right? Yeah, that is compound noun. Ladies man who is fat. So the ladies man noun and noun. This might be new for you. A fat, a fat. So that's a article and then fat. That fat is used for ladies. So that's a noun. And again noun which is called compound noun. Ladies man. Okay. Now next is same. That's a larger ladies man. Okay. Fat. Okay. Practice diagram. Jane hid the letter from Dan, right? So here Jane, sentence is Jane, okay? Then hid the letter. So that's a hid verb phrase, the letter. That's a verb phrase and then noun phrase. And then Later from then, from and then. Okay. Now, okay, there are two ways. That's a noun phrase, then preposition phrase. So that's a branch of the verb phrases, noun phrase, right? And then preposition phrase. This way also can be done. Otherwise, noun phrase and in noun phrase, preposition phrase can be shown. Okay, I think you must have got the idea. Then he likes raw vegetables and meat. So he is okay. Then verb phrase likes. Then raw vegetables. So raw is adjective. So raw noun phrase, right? Why noun phrase? Why not adjective phrase? Because noun raw vegetables and so our concern main head word is vegetables, that's why it is noun phrase. Then raw, then noun, vegetables, conjunction and meat. Simple. But another way also, he likes raw vegetables, that's more easier, right? Noun phrase raw vegetables, conjunction and then meat. The teacher spoke verb phrase. Now preposition phrase to the boy. So this is one prepositional phrase, right? So that's a preposition phrase. Drop the preposition, the boy. Simple. It looks a little bit lengthy or tough, but very simple. Then with a smile. So then another phrase with a smile. Okay, I'll do it in the board and then explain, right? So let me give time, but yeah, that is something I have revised. And my boss very happy. My boss, okay, very happy, was happy, sorry, was very happy, was, then prepositional phrase very happy, adverb, adjective and preposition. So that is prepositional phrase. I will explain you because here you will not be able to understand, but yeah, we have read together. Simple sentences, what I feel that all these sentences I have to explain, then only you'll be able to understand. So let me give some time. I'll do it right along when I explain, right? But yeah, sentences are very easy. Once you do once, twice, thrice, if you do, then you'll be able to understand. Okay. So thank you so much. God bless you.